Hi everyone, I'm Linda from Banjo's Bead House, and welcome to What's in the Box for our May 2026 Bead Inspiration Box. So let's get started by taking a look at the inspiration pick behind this box. So this one started with this very neutral color palette with all of these peachy and brown shades, which is very much outside my color palette. So it was a fun challenge to work with something completely different. It led to me picking crazy lace agate and working on this very asymmetrical design completely outside of my normal color world and design world, but a lot of fun doing a knotting project, combining it with leather so you get this split effect, and working with a carabiner clasp, which was something different, which is allowing for really great interchangeable pendants. So something completely fun and completely different. So great fun project for this particular month. But let's take a look at what's in the box and got you going to make that piece. So as always, you would get our little insert in your box. And on that has our little inspiration pick, giving you a sneak peek as to some of the contents. On the back, you have the full list and the link to the project videos. Excuse me. Inside this particular month, well, I'm guessing you can already tell that there is some leather cord, which we are just getting out now. So you have your piece of bolo leather cord. There was half a meter of this. Then you had some crazy lace agate bead, which was the stone inspiration for this month. And you could make the piece really with either of these two beads. You could go with the column bead here, which is a 13 by 4 mil column, or the 6 millimeter round. So that's where everyone got a little bit of a choice as to what they could make. You had the two pendants that we saw on the video now in the sample. And the great thing about the crazy lace agate is every one of these pendants in the boxes is completely different. So even if they copy my design, everyone's going to have a different focal. So that was a great deal of fun. We had some metallic thread, which was used for the knotting, a collapsible eye needle to assist you with the setup of threading those beads on that thread. You had your stainless steel findings pack with your cord ends, the carabiner, some jump rings, and these new tag ends. You also had a head pin and some closed culottes to finish everything off. And the last thing that was included in this particular box was a 12 mil square piece of crazy lace agate, which using the head pin, you could turn into another pendant. And that is everything that was in the box for our May 2026 Bead Inspiration Box. Hope you've enjoyed this and tune in for the next one. Bye for now.